How to fix WhatsApp video not sending on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp video not sending on Android phone. First, all you need to do just open settings and then go to storage. Wait, first go to apps and then click apps again. And now just type here WhatsApp and then click force stop and then click storage and clear cache. Now just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, then all you need to do just you need to clean some space. Go to storage, click clean up. Now just delete something here. You can delete cache or junk files if you want. Just clean some space and your problem will be fixed, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.